Craving something coastal, spicy and unforgettable? Today on 22dit's official Chhatri Deep, we're cooking authentic Goan-style pomfret curry, rich, tangy, and full of coconut flavor. Let's dive straight in. 5 fresh pomfrets, cleaned, 1 cup grated coconut, 1 onion, chopped, 1 tomato, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin, 6-8 dried red chilies, tamarind pulp, coconut oil, salt and water. In a blender, add coconut, red chilies, coriander seeds, cumin, turmeric and tamarind pulp. Blend it into a thick, smooth masala paste. This is the heart of our Goan curry, spicy, tangy and rich. Heat coconut oil in a pan. Add chopped onions and saute till golden. Then add ginger garlic paste and fry it until aromatic. Now, in goes the masala paste. Cook it for 5 minutes until the oil begins to separate. Your kitchen will smell like a Goan beach shack. Add about 1 to 1.5 cups of water to form a curry. Let it boil once. Then gently slide in your pomfret pieces. Cover and cook for 7-8 minutes on medium heat. Don't overstir. We want our fish pieces to stay whole and juicy. And just like that, your Goan pomfret curry is ready. Serve it hot with steamed rice or Goan sanas. It's spicy, coastal and coconutty, a total flavor bomb. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your foodie friends and subscribe to 22dit's official Chhatri Deep for more delicious recipes from the Indian coast and beyond. Catch you in the next one. Until then, keep cooking and stay spicy.